with Shem. He's been working on the Datsun the last few days. One of the biggest issues we had was those rear arches, so he's been busy with that. This one is still shaping up, and if you recall, we had the gap here which doesn't quite fit right, and then we opened up the arch here to have a nice curve. So this one he's still working on, but I'll go the other side and show you the one that he's just finished, which I think looks really good. So I'm very happy with that. So the lower balance there is all done as well. That's all shaped, and little details like keeping that original line where the weld is, we're keeping that as it is, so it looks authentic. So here we go. So this bit's just done. If I go close in there, you can see that line matches perfectly to the body kit. So what Shem's done is built up the arch to suit that, rather than try and cut and shape the actual body kit section there. And also what we've done here now, just to get the curve right, is to shape the arch. So the arch coming from there matches all the way up, so the line aesthetically works really well there. So I'm very happy with that. So it's taking good shape. Let's have a look around the rest of the car. The roof's come out really nice. If you remember, that had a lot of cracks in it, and a lot of ripples. I think at some point probably someone was sitting on there, but I've seen Shem working on that and he's been blocking that across, backwards, diagonally, so the curves are really nice. And I think this is going to look stunning when it's finished. A lot better than it was before. Although there's a fair amount of filler on there, it's not very thick, so that should work well. And I've seen it's actually got a detail of actually leveling out the tailgate top as well, so when it's shut and finished, all the lines are going to match really well. So there's some work to do around the back of the tailgate. We plated some of that rust in there when it came back the other day. So I think the worst of it's over. The big issue on the rear quarters, the roof, a few ripples in the bonnet is dealt with. So I'm confident in a couple of days this will be in primer. So well done to the team at Customize. Really happy. Okay, so the engine bay is all stripped, and what we did, all the holes we didn't need, we welded them up. So I think it's going to be quite clean and a bare engine bay, tucked wiring and so on, so it's going to look nice. One of the things we also did here, you can see a horrible looking dent, but where the steering column ran, I was worried it's quite close to the chassis edge, so we've indented it, we've heated it up, and that will get dressed up, so there's no chance of any rubbing there. All ready to go here, some prep work, and again ready for primer.